Are you struggling to create a budget? The 50-30-20 strategy can help. To follow it, you simply need to divide your after-tax income into 3 broad categories. First, 50% of your paycheck should go toward things you need. This includes all of your essential costs, such as rent, mortgage payments, food, utilities, health insurance, debt payments, and car payments. If your expenses exceed 50% of your income, you either need to cut costs or dip into your wants fund. Next, 20% of your paycheck should go toward your savings and investments. This includes emergency savings, retirement savings, and investing in the stock market. Aim to put away enough cash to cover 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in case of an emergency, then start to think about longer-term investments. And if you have access to a 401k account through your employer, it can be a great way to save a portion of your income pre-tax. Finally, 30% of your paycheck should go to things you want. This can be anything that isn't considered an essential cost. That means things like travel, subscriptions, dining out, shopping, and fun. This category can also include luxury upgrades. You purchase a nicer car instead of a less expensive one, for example. That dips into your wants category.